chasing echoes in the rain. Hands full of fire, heart full of change. Every step I take becomes a stream. Nothing lasts forever, not even dreams. The higher we climb, the harder we fall. Still we answer the river's call. Every scar reflects the sky, teaching us to never stop trying. Every mountain leaves its mark. Every sunrise follows dark. Every drop becomes the sea. Every road sets somebody free.